What is the difference between among and between? Between when naming distinct, individual items. Maybe two or more. Among when items are part of group. They are not named specifically, must be three or more. Among could indicate that something belongs to a group. Examples: I have decided among these shirts. Between usually means in the middle of something. Or in the space restricted by something. Example: Ali ran too quickly between the cars. Let's take some other examples. Among is used when talking about people or things that are not distinct and are viewed as a group. Example: there wasn't much unity among the group members. Let's take some other examples. There wasn't much unity among the council members. She only ever felt comfortable when she was among her friends.